A literacy-rich math classroom looks like children using math. It's taking their knowledge of numbers and manipulating numbers and problem solving. Children who are in a literacy-rich are going to be able to solve day-to-day problems. They're going to be able to go out in the real world and understand data and use math to reason and solve problems. They use math numbers and their knowledge of the manipulation of numbers to improve their life in math in the real world.
I believe literacy has a very important role in the math classroom. Students need to be able to decipher a variety of different texts and use that information to solve problems. Even if it's just playing a game, they need to understand what they've read and be able to apply the rules. Vocabulary is also an important part of the math classroom. It builds from year to year, so it's crucial they have a good vocabulary knowledge. Students are required to write all the time in math when they are asked to explain their thinking and show what they know. They're using literacy skills all the time.
To me, the word literate means being able to read, write, and speak a language. And I think math is no different. You have to learn how to read it, you have to learn how to write it, and then you have to make sure you know how to speak it so that other people can understand you and what you're trying to get your point across when you're sharing your thinking with others. So one exercise we did do today in class was the pyramid activity, which the kids get to speak the language and they get to communicate with one another and collaborate and kind of talk about those key words you guys saw on the board there. And if they can talk the language, then I think they have a chance of understanding when they read it, and then taking what they read and write the appropriate answers to myself or our classmate.